Welcome to another screen printing tip. I'm Mark Suedolnik, Textile Application Specialist with Graphic Solutions Group. Today we're going to print with Wilflex Epic Suede Base. We're going to use a 110 mesh. We mixed the base with 3% blue pigment and we added 1% black pigment to give us a navy blue. We're just going to print 2 strokes. And then into the dryer. The suede base is going to give us what the name says, a nice suede texture, really soft feel, and it's going to give a little bit of a 3D dimension to the shirt. There you have it, Wilflex Epic Suede Base with some navy blue added to it to give us a nice soft suede feel, add some dimension to the shirt. For more tips and information on screen printing, visit GoGSG.com, and we'll see you next week.